So normally I would not want to do another one of these. I was really hoping that ever since I came back to being a YouTuber that I would stop any of this kind of upload. But I just wanted to go kind of yay for the fact that we passed healthcare legislation. It's not a great step. I mean, it's not the greatest healthcare bill that I could have ever hoped for, but it's okay. It's decent. As far as first steps go, I'm glad that we got something at least. I'd rather have something than nothing at this point. I've become very disillusioned with modern mainstream politics because of this healthcare debate and the fact that it took us so long to get the piece of shit that we have now. But it's been so frustrating and annoying that I'm just glad that it fucking actually is there. That there's something that kind of gives meaning to all of it for once. That they actually did a vote, and when they actually did a vote, they realized a lot of their stupid fucking concerns weren't there. They kept saying, oh, we don't have the votes, we don't have the votes. Well, look what happens when you actually take a vote, when you actually ask everybody in attendance to take their votes. And when you do this, surprisingly enough, there's support for it. Why? Because it would be put into the official record at that point, whether or not they voted for or against it. And a majority of people are for it. I mean, most polls say this. Now, there are some that say otherwise, and for a variety of different reasons. But over the course of this past year, I've been reading as many different polls as I could from as many different sources as I can, be it more towards the unbiased, such as the Gallup poll, or towards the left or towards the right through any of your various things. You could have one that's sponsored by Daily Kos or one that's sponsored by Fox News. You have both sides represented there in the bias of the polls, and somewhere in the midst of all that, you can get kind of a sense of what's actually going on. But it's like I said, it's just fucking good that we have something. It's mind-boggling that we haven't had anything done until now. That it's taken us this long to get this. But enjoy this really crappy video, favorite it, star rate it, something, I don't know. I just wanted to express my slight level of excitement about this and the fact that I was trying to go to sleep and then my phone was all like, hey, stuff's happening in the real world. You should probably respond to it. And I'm like, I don't want to respond, Steve. I want to go to sleep. It's a good thing I don't have anything of importance to do tomorrow, so I don't mind staying up a little later. But I will probably not feel that way tomorrow morning, and you, my loyal 7 viewers, are welcome. Good night now. I'm not going to go to bed anytime soon, so feel free to post comments and shit in response to this, video responses, anything, because I will be here a while.